Having trouble getting your Spectrum router online during setup? The main issues are usually activation problems or WAN check failures. Activation means linking your router to your Spectrum account. A WAN check confirms your router is connected to Spectrum's network. Common causes include account issues like unpaid bills or incorrect service addresses, loose cables, outdated firmware, or even Spectrum side outages. First, ensure you have your account number and modem serial number handy. Double-check your coaxial cable connections. Are they snug? Power cycle your router. Unplug it for 30 seconds, then plug it back in. Solid white light on the router typically indicates a successful WAN connection. If issues persist, Spectrum's app now has a smart setup feature with AI-driven diagnostics to automate troubleshooting. If basic troubleshooting doesn't work, try resetting your router to factory defaults. If you're using a third-party router, ensure it supports Spectrum's protocols to avoid activation denials. Spectrum's latest routers, like the SA8500, also include integrated LTE backup for uninterrupted service. Remember to keep your router firmware updated regularly. Experts recommend proactive updates to avoid WAN check bottlenecks. Spectrum is moving toward full automation with zero-touch activation, which could eliminate many user errors. Additionally, environmental factors like heat can degrade cables, so fiber optic expansions are underway. As of 2025, 60% of Spectrum customers use app-based setup, and AI is reducing setup time significantly. But remember, if you're in a rural area without app access, you might face higher failure rates. Utilize Spectrum's digital-first support through their chatbot for quick resolution.